this is a stock that we called out this morning on the market overview. We started putting them on TikTok and opened a TikTok account so we can go over things quickly with our Discord members and also with the general public as we invite people into the investment club. So AVGO on a daily chart here. This has a clean break. We had a very defined area here, 1150. We have a gap up on the daily, and this gap up was right before the MACD crossed RSI, and we had a huge push down on balance volume once we came down, and then we noticed that volume started to pick up even though the stock was going sideways to down. Is that when you see this pattern come in and you start to see the MACD start to curl, you need to look at taking this long. This is obviously in the chip sector, and the chip sector will lead any type of rally. And when the market's closing in on all-time highs, the only way to get to all-time highs is to push semiconductors. If you study market rotation and those type of things. So clean break here, gap up. We entered yesterday anticipatory, and then we got the break. There's another gap here. This right here, if you take this before, this gap filled the gap down, and the other gap had already been covered. So going long this thing was kind of a no-brainer. When this thing runs, it runs. This move's expected, probably 250 points. If we go from bottom to top, you're looking at $1,300 price target on this stock. I don't care what the news says or what people say. You have to look at the charts, and the charts are saying to buy this stock anytime it pulls back. This is on any time frame that you look at, the hourly, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, and obviously the 15. This stock's extended, so I would not advise people or suggest that people would like FOMO into these type of names. But if you are long, I wouldn't suggest that you start to just cut for no reason. Anyway, I wanted to go over this chart just to show you what we saw. This is a very easy pattern here to follow. If you guys don't know, a gap up break with MACD cross on a daily on a stock like this in a leading sector is not a very often times you're going to get this on a big blue chip company. So anyway, Broadcom long. Chips look great. If you take a look at the SMH, also confirms the break. It's a broad sector break. Qualcomm was another call out that we had. This has double gap up as well, and we are just now crossing over. So I would expect this move to continue for the next couple of days at least, and possibly the next couple of weeks, although it may slow in the actual velocity of the move. I would not expect the move to slow down until those price targets hit. 1219.91 is your first expansion on Broadcom. After that, you're looking at 1250. We had some unusual call volume in the 1250 monthlies, as well as looking out to the 1300s. So anyway, if you want to be a part of this and you want to know some more setups that are coming up, iBelieve Investment Club link will be down below, and look forward to talking to you next time.